uSeedFast, uSmall Enterprise Development and Finance Agency. So i-department esingaphansi kwayo uDepartment of Small Business uthathe isinqumo sokuthi uhlanganise uSida noSifa ukuze osomabhizinisi bakwazi ukusizakala endaweni eyodwa. Ngoba uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi usomabhizinisi uzofika aye ebranchini yakaSida afune usizo. Uzothi mhlawumbe mase efuna usizo lwezimali mase kuthiwa manje ke thatha izinto zakho uye kaSifa. So ngokuthi kuhlanganiswe kokubili sekuzosiza ukuthi usomabhizinisi medinga usizo akwazi ulithola lonke endaweni eyodwa. Abantu abangakwazi ngoSifda, uSifda futhi enye ingxenye yomsebenzi esiwenzayo ukuthi sixhase izindawo esizibiza ukuthi ama-incubation centers. So sibe nobudlelwano kusuka ngo-2015 neSAIDI sasungula i-incubator esibiza ukuthi iSAIDI Center for Entrepreneurship and Rapid Incubator. So kuyasijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi lokho iqalile nango-2023 besikhona la eSAIDI ku-graduate amanye ama-SMMEs. Kuyabonakala ukuthi iprogram sikhona isidingo emphakathini futhi nabantu abayalithola usizo abangosomabhizinisi ngoba uma beqeda le program bayakwazi ukuyoyimela emphakathini bakwazi ukudala amathuba emisebenzi nokuthi futhi amabhizinisi abo aqhubeke adlondlobale aye phambili. Njenganamhlanje futhi ngithe ngifika kwabakhona abathi bagraduate ngo-2023 ngabavakashela njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uma ungizwile ekuqaleni ngeke ngasho ukuthi uthi kwathi ngenkathi ejoin incubator mhlawumbe babe bathathu manje usenama-staff employees awu-18 a-permanent futhi naye isikhathi futhi uyakwazi ukudala amathuba emisebenzi esikhashana kwabanye abantu abaphezulu kwa-40. So lamabhizinisi uyawabona adlondlobala ngoba u-2023 no-2025 umese wakubantu abathathu esenabantu abawu-18 kusho ukuthi ibhizinisi lakhe ladlondlobala kakhulu. So kulula ukubona ngelela sithi siyavakasha nje hayi ngempela usenemali eningi.
Igama Atang Mabuye ngiphuma eDwala Carbonates. So the program, the incubation program, it's one of the programs that we fund as one of our social responsibility programs towards the community. Now it's very rewarding ukuthi siwazi ukuthi senze investment sibone return. I-return not through ukuthi khona into engenayo kuthina kodwa sibone impact on umphakathi. I want to say good luck to them. We are rooting for them. Being an entrepreneur, it's not easy. It's not for everyone, but their contribution to society is very important. And companies like Idwala want to support those who are starting off.
Asibonge uMlando Creative ngokuhleza ungakhohlwa ukuthi uze uma kunama-event anje la ukwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukubeka khona abantwana bethu kwibalazwe kubonakala ukuthi yini esiyenzayo kwi-district yasoGwini and also emkhandlwini waseRenkongeni. Namhlanje-ke i-incubator ebizwa ngesingatha abantwana baya-graduate baqeda u2 years wabo bekhona la beqale early beqala befundela ukuthi baphume bahambe bayosebenza baphinde futhi lapho baqashe nabanye abantu abafisa ukuthi babalekelele emsebenzini abayenzayo. Lokho-ke kusilekelela kakhulu thina njengomkhandlu ngoba kusiza ekuthenini labo bantu abaqashiwe bakwazi ukuthi nabo baxoshe inkatho eziko. Okwethu-ke njengeRenkongeni ukuthi sibaxhase ngosizo lwemali ukuze bakwazi ukuthi baqhubeke kwi-incubator yabo, but also siyafisa ukuthi nemphakathi nabanye o-developer abakhona or ama-investors akhona asondele kubona abaxhasi ngoba njengoba sebeqeda la sebeyaphuma baya emhlabeni kumele bahambe bayosebenza baqhubeke nempilo yabo ebebeyihlalele la nesikhathi sabo ebekade befunda. So nje siyacela kakhulu ama-investor asondele abasize labantwana abalekelele ngoba umsebenzi abawenzayo mningi kakhulu and uyasisiza nathi njengomkhandlu waseRenkongeni. They will be ama-next billionaire njengoba uMlando Creative nawo ubuye wenze uhlelo lokubathatha labantwana ubaprofile bangene ku-next billionaire ababanikezi ibhiliyoni but babanikeze i-exposure ukuthi emhlabeni wonke baziwe ukuthi labantwana bakhona. So lokhu nje njengoba sila manje Mlando Creative no-next billionaire sobe sinalabantwana and okuningi okukhona okwenzeka la abantwana abaningi abatholwe uMlando Creative no-next billionaire millionaire ibona laba abasigqokisayo njengoba sibona sibahle kanje. Abanye babo bayafama, abanye babo bayathunga, abanye babo benza iy'nsipho. Into ejikelezayo nje abakwazi ukuthi basizane kuyona bebonke, kungaze bephunyelwa ngaphandle, but into ikhona ihleli la ekhaya kuyasetshenzwa kakhulu.
Sanibonani balaleli nabamukeli, igama lami nguNomalungelo Gina, ngu-Deputy Minister waka-Science, Technology and Innovation Department.
And what I'm happy about, ulama SMMEs ala, the scientists that are there, they make some perfumes, they come up with ama-scents awungakazi uwabone. Abanye khona nje intombazane ekwazi ukuthi ihlanganise ngisho even the clouds, is to say uyakha kanjani imvula, keep amanzi out of that. There's so many scientists la. Othi mohleli naye angayibizi nge-scientist kanti these are real scientists that we are having. It's so exciting to be here. This is just an incubation program. Kodwa imikhiqizo ephume la uma bezophuma bayobamba abanye ngesandla babafundisa indlela. I'm telling you, ama-game changers esinawo la, uningi ulwazi abazophuma abalise emphakathini. Sizobonga kakhulu esayidi, sibonga kakhulu kulezi ngane ezigraduate-ayo namhlanje bazosenzela ushintsho ongazi ukubona emphakathini.